What's up, guys? Welcome back. I've been messing around with the bug a little bit, doing little details on it, like the wiring in the trunk. Been working on some chrome molding, painting it black. See, I only have one on right now. Car season's almost over, so I'm just working on the little details. I went ahead and kind of fixed my steering wheel so it's straight. Put a new gas gauge in because mine was broken. That's pretty much it, guys. I'm just working on small things right now. Alright guys, so check that out. The driver's side chrome molding is now black. Looks pretty cool. I'm going to take off the handle and do that too. And I still got the other stuff over here in the driveway drying. So I got the horn griddle painted too. And then that's the passenger side molding. We're going to wait for those to dry, and then we're going to throw it on the other side. Alright guys, so check that out. Both sides are done. Driver, and I got the horn griddle painted on both sides too. It's pretty much it. Just pulling stuff off, doing the small details. I'm gonna do the handles, possibly take the... Alright guys, so I went ahead and took the handles off already. I'm gonna go ahead and take them apart. Take this, the locking push button out. That way I can just sand this whole handle and then paint it black. Yeah. Alright guys, so check this out. Got this one sanded down with 80 grit sandpaper. And this is the one that's been untouched. Just sanding it so the primer and paint can have something to hold so it doesn't peel off. So we're just gonna go ahead and continue sanding this, and then we're gonna paint it. Alright guys, so I have the handles sanded down. I'm gonna go ahead and primer them now. That'll be the first coat. I'm gonna get tacky and then put a second coat of primer, then I'll put 2 more coats of the black, and it'll be done. Yeah. Alright guys, so I think they're dry. Oh yeah, they're dry. So we're gonna go ahead and assemble them back together and install them on the bug. Alright guys, so there they are. They're all painted. Kind of looks weird, but I know if I painted these would get all scratched up from going in and out through the hanger. So let's go ahead and put them on. Driver's side is done, guys. There we go. That's pretty much it for this weekend, guys. I'm gonna pull all this stuff off soon. I'm just not gonna do it now, and I'm gonna do all this. And I still need to find the back window. That's it, guys. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.